good to start our conversation. How much grammar is important for spoken English?
Nothing, zero. Grammar is already involved, and what you have to change your style of learning.
But most important thing, you need to be practice English and be consistent towards your effort. Whether you are learning grammar or not, but practice or consistency, both are very important, very essential for an English learner.
I'm English teacher, government English teacher. So yes, so please introduce yourself.
Yes, I am Shweta. I am speaking from West Bengal. Originally, I am from Jharkhand. I have completed my BSc and I have good typing skill, both Hindi and English. And I have been working as a freelance Hindi translator. Now I am in the journey of learning English, and I am sharing my English journey on my channel named Improve English with Shweta with 1.9k subscribers. So that's all about myself.
Yes, very nice. So myself Kyan Agnihotri, and I am English teacher, government English teacher. On top of that, I also do take online English speaking classes. I am online communication coach. Yes, from Madhya Pradesh.
Oh, that's great. And what about your qualification?
Yes, I am postgraduate in English literature. On top of that, I am also BH. So that's why I am a government English teacher.
Wow, government English teacher. So that's great thing. In MP.
Right.
Okay. So now you have you started your YouTube channel?
Yes, I have my own YouTube channel. So I upload occasionally videos in YouTube as well. So, but I am not just getting the views and subscriber as per my expectation, but still I am just uploading video, and I will keep uploading video. Yes.
Yes, initially it doesn't matter how much fluent or how strong you are in English, but or anything, YouTube takes time to improve and grow, and consistency matters a lot. So as I have been working in past 2 years on YouTube, so what I observe, consistency matters a lot. It doesn't matter what talent you have, but consistency matters a lot for growing your YouTube channel.
No, you can ask whatever you want. So yes.
Yes. So what challenges have you faced while starting your YouTube channel? Because you are a government teacher, so you are doing great in your life. I can say that economically you are stable. So now you thought to start your YouTube channel. So what things motivates you or inspire you to create YouTube channel? And tell me about whatever your experience till now.
Yes. So my one friend have suggested me to just start my YouTube channel. And in starting, I started YouTube channel. So I started uploading video content. And that time I have biggest challenge that I was not able to edit it. Even today, I am not so good in editing. This is the first problem. Second thing, having quality thumbnail and just getting views. This is the biggest challenges. I started sharing in the WhatsApp group sometimes. So asking people to just subscribe my channel, watch my videos, but that was not happening. People was not watching my video. So then I realized that in this way I will not able to grow my YouTube channel. So I need to do something different. So I started making videos about something grammar, some literature, in English content only. Then still it was not working properly. So then I thought that I should do something differently. I should keep doing experiment. So I was not able to write the proper thumbnail, proper description, proper text, lots of things. So I started also getting knowledge about the YouTube, that what I should do to make my video viral, but nothing was working. Then I asked having this kind of conversation. So keep uploading this kind of video. So in this process, I learned a lot of things about the YouTube, theoretical knowledge, but still my video is not getting viral and not able to get good views. I have only one video that has got more than 45 or 4600 views, only one video, and one video that has got more than 2000 views. So two videos you can see it got more than 2000 views, but no video is getting more than 2000 views. Yes.
So how many videos have you uploaded till now?
Yes, so far I think there are more than 125 videos I have uploaded. More than 125 videos. Yes.
Okay, that's great. And what is the name of your channel?
Gyan Agnihotri English. Gyan Agnihotri
Okay,
English. So I have lots of
okay,
video, and I am telling you that I have my own online classes. With the help of online classes, I have 5,000 hour recording. 5,000 hour recording, and I can simply download and edit and upload the video in the YouTube. But actually, I'm not just getting proper response from YouTube. That's why I'm not uploading. The video content is not the problem.
mhm.
So I have already used content. Yes.
Okay. So the content which you have is based on conversation or other topic like
No,
grammar
no,
or something else?
no. Actually, the teaching. Once I am teaching students, so I have lots of content on how to speak English, how to learn English, how to learn phrasal verb, how to learn making sentences instantly about the English speaking. So one-to-one session I have English speaking. So I have huge content. I have also conversational videos in the teaching students online. But the problem is that I am not getting views, so that's why I'm not so much passionate about the uploading video content. So I am feeling that this is kind of conversation and this kind of some new content I will just get, I will upload, and let's see what happens.
Hmm. YouTube journey is so unpredictable. You can't say anything about it. The video which you put lot of effort and it's hardly getting views. And the video which you randomly create, like okay, just upload that video, and that video will get good views. So on YouTube, there is nothing like permanent or fixed. Or it's not like if you are so educated and your content is so correct, it's not that way. It depends on views, what people like to watch.
It
Yes.
depends on the algorithm, I'm telling you. Algorithm is
Al-
more better. Yes, more better words. Algorithm.
al-
I'm telling you about the same thing. The same thing. The very first video I uploaded in the YouTube, very first video, it has very nice views, and I get more than 2,000 views. Very first video,
wow.
and I uploaded that video from my mobile, simply mobile, and uploaded that video in Hindi, and I was not able to edit. Nothing I have done, but that video got very good views. After that video, I have simply that I have conversation with the Jadu. I think that you know Jadu.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, yes.
and because I was not so much passionate about that time, so I was feeling okay, I will not get views. So, okay, let's upload. And directly I have uploaded video without any kind of editing, without any kind of good thumbnail. So I get the 4,600 views so far about that video. After that, I just get good feeling. Yes, I will get good views. So I started making lots of efforts, editing videos and just adding lots of B-roll, making good conversations, lots of things I did. And this way I have uploaded more than 30 videos after that video. This kind of conversational video, but still I am not getting videos.
Yes, just keep doing. So I want to know about your why you want to work on YouTube, because you are.
Yes, what happens in the YouTube, what I personally feel that with the help of YouTube, I can go with a larger audience where people must know about my English speaking, and people who are really interested to learn English speaking, they can learn with me in this way. Second way, that I am also just taking online classes where I teach students, so I am making more money in the online classes. So money is not issue. I am just wasting here 30 minutes. So if in 30 minutes where I'm just wasting, I get more more money. So what I personally feel that this kind, I could get a better impression, a better, people can understand me, people can know me. That's key. So this is the first thing. And let's see what happens. Who knows that tomorrow I am a very successful YouTube.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, the work is only in our hand, but result is not in our hand. So we just keep going on, and we should put our efforts.
Yes. The main thing is that you need to do keep experiment in YouTube. Keep experimenting. And I am really impressed with, because you are outside in your home. If you will just create video sitting outside in your home, and I'm telling you one more thing, just keep moving, because you are having a camera and that is fixed. So you can just walk. You can walk. You can do some exercise, and this can do some videos. Make something
But
that what is. Yes.
Yes, yes, you are right, sir. Did that thing, but I was facing network issue, and the video quality was not good because maybe network problem. So I thought that let's keep the camera in standby.
Yes, yes, I just got your idea. I'm telling you about it's live video where you can just upload the offline videos, record a video, and you can discuss, record, and then just you can edit and then simply upload the video without having conversation. So this kind you will get more better views. You will start getting views. How to do something differently, and I'm telling you, keep doing experiment. Do something differently. Differently. Einstein has defined insanity doing same thing over and over and expecting different result. If you will not do
And
something
90,
different, you will not get good result. Yes.
yes, yes, yes. You are right, sir. We have to do experiment. You are right. So yes, I learned today this thing that we should experiment. Yes, I started my YouTube journey by creating vocabulary videos. But after that, I started conversational videos, just like you shifted your content. And so in this way, I also shifted. Otherwise, I have a lot of vocabulary content, but people are not interested. And that time, I was not getting that much views. But now, right now, I am getting views on that vocabulary videos. So, but still, what I feel that I feel good to create conversational videos. So I can do more. So I can continue this journey. In this way, I can improve my communication also.
Yes, yes, certainly. Yes.
So that's why I thought to start.
Yes. Very nice.
So what do you think, sir? How much grammar is important for spoken English?
Nothing. Zero. Grammar is already involved, and what you have to change your style of learning. Firstly, grammar is not important at all. You will learn grammar automatically. So you need to actually focus on the sentence formation. Once somebody is speaking, focus how he is framing sentences. And second thing, that the whatever the word you are learning, you need to just learn in chunks. Chunks means simple group of words, 3 to 4 words together, and then you will focus on the sentences. So grammar is already involved there, right? Because you have uploaded lots of the vocabulary video. So I'm telling you how to learn vocabulary, and the same way you can just learn sentence formation. So once you are just getting one word, so don't just memorize that word. Don't memorize, right? You
Yes,
need to
yes.
do
I
something.
need to create sentences regarding that word, and we need to use in our conversation.
Yes.
Not
So you
only
need,
one time, we have to repeat that word.
it's a 3 steps. Firstly, once you are just one word, so you need to firstly you need to frame sentences that's true for you. That's true for you. This is very important. That's true for you. So now suppose that a new word is invite. So you can say that I invited my all friends in my birthday party. Invite. So it's very important. It's just
Yes,
true for me. Invite it. Now this is very important. Second thing, that you need to emotionalize it. Emotionalize. Until you will not emotionalize, you will forget it. You need to emotionalize. Okay. So invite. He always invites me in his birthday party. So now he always invites me. So here's grammar is already involved. Invites. He always
wow.
invites me in his birthday party. Again, so this is different. That's true for me. My friend always invites me for his birthday party. That's true for me. That's important. So this emotional is very important. And third thing is that's very important. You need to practice that word in different contexts, different tenses. That's very important.
Yes.
This is very important. So I am very happy that today you have invited me in your YouTube channel. Simple.
Yes,
So
yes.
this is way. So you will not forget. And main thing is grammar is already there. So this is
But
very
I
important.
thought that when it comes to tricky sentences, like when you have to present, like you need to add like would, could have, would have, then people get confused.
No,
So
so what
if
happens?
you know these rules, then your spoken English will be more effective.
I am telling you, do not need to just memorize the rule. How much rule you have memorized to speak English or Hindi? Hindi, sorry, Hindi. You have memorized any rule? No. How you have learned Hindi? Once you are just listening to others and then try to speak. So for that, I'm telling you, you need to watch simple story-based video from YouTube or anywhere, simple story-based video, and then try to speak the same video content in your own words. And once you will just get the learn that what is some new pattern of sentences, you can just write it down and practice it in different context. And the would have or should have, this is nothing. It's only the present perfect. So now just talking about the would and would have. So would is actually model, nothing. So how you should learn, so how, if you will learn the rules of the word, so you will forget. Don't learn.
Yes,
Now,
that's what I am saying, sir. You have enough knowledge about grammar. So that's what, now you think that grammar is not important for speaking. But a person who starts their journey of speaking, as per my perspective, he must learn like tenses, modals, and verbs. So because how can you know that he invites, but I invite? So this is the rule of present tense. So we must learn grammar rules.
No. In the grammar will make you confusing. I never teach students grammar. I have made more than 1,000 students fluent English speaker online. So, but I never teach grammar them. You need to focus on the sentences. Once you're watching simple video and the focus on the sentences, how he is framing sentences, and then try to speak the same video content in your own words. In this way, you will learn grammar automatically. Grammar is already there. Now, just take example of the would. So if I will teach you the rule of the would, so you will forget. But I am telling you that in a story or in my own story, I am telling you, and you will understand how the would I have used, and you will start speaking in your story in this way. You will never forget. Now, just take example that in my early learning days, when I was learning English speaking, I would talk to myself daily in front of camera alone. I would talk to myself again and again alone, and I looked like a fool. Now I have used would. It means that I used to speak myself. The would means used to. That's true for the past. Right now, that's not true. So would, simple, would. So you can learn would. In my college days, I would go to tuition. Something that about the past.
Because
this is the way you need to learn.
Yes, this is the things I want to tell you, because you repeat again and again, and now these rules are settled in your mind. So now you can easily speak. So for beginner, I must recommend to learn grammar. Not fully, not deeply, but basic grammar must.
Yes, okay, whatever you want to say, but I'm telling you, I never just encourage my students to learn grammar. They learn grammar automatically. Grammar is already there. Once you will go for the story. So with the help of a story, you will learn the grammar deeper. Then try to speak it. Whatever you will learn by speaking, by listening and speak, watch, listen something, then try to speak the same thing. You will learn everything. You will learn grammar, you will learn pronunciation, you will learn sentence formation, you will learn ideas, and everything you will learn automatically.
So I must say that, sir, like, see, if we have to go to Delhi, so some go by bus, some go by train, or some go by air. But main thing is we need to speak English. In the same way, some focus on grammar, some focus like reading or watching or speaking. So whatever your way, but most important thing, you need to be practice English and be consistent towards your efforts. Whether you are learning grammar or not, but practice or consistency, both are very important, very essential for an English learner.
That's true.
Okay, sir. It's a nice conversation, and I learned a lot of things. So hope for the best for your YouTube channel.
Thank you so much. I also enjoyed a lot and learned a lot from you. Thank you so much.